I'm doing this video without the aid of a handheld device, so I'm holding my GoPro camera all by itself. So hopefully we can see here, I have the brand new box just opened with the 6th element exhaust tip. By the way, I previously installed a 6th element cold air box, which is wonderful. But you can see, based on various looking, I'm led to believe all I need is an impact drill with a 14 millimeter socket. I did go out and purchase an exhaust hanger removal tool. Well, there's my camera for some stills. And now let's take a look at what we're trying to do here. Here is the back of my, sorry for the bright sun, I'm trying to back up. Here is the back of my brand new 25 office. I put $100 into putting on this nice Toyota Black to try to make the installation. I'm getting out the jack because I've been led to believe that no matter what, I'm going to have to lower the rear spare tire and able to pull the OEM exhaust pipe out and under. So here I am. I'm going to go fish that out and let's see what happens. Okay, without any fanfare, this is what we're dealing with. We are going to remove these bolts, and this is where the exhaust 3 feet of pipe and resonator that is going to be pulled out. So first job is to extract this, and then there's a hanger, which I'll try to show in a minute, that holds all this together that we're going to have to pull out and take out. So here's the patient. Let's begin the operation. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to just break these bolts with a 14 millimeter. It's kind of loosened up. Step one, okay. I'm going to come over on the other side and I'm going to loosen up. Now I'm going to see if I can be a smart guy and see if I can get I can't see anything here. We're going to see if I can get my wrench and take this bolt off. Not over on the other side, and do the same. So far everything is good. Now I'm going to reposition to see if we can see the hanger. This is all a bit of a struggle right now because I've been fooling with the camera and I don't have a tripod, so this is probably a mess, but right now I'm going to try to remove the next step using this hanger tool to try to pull this out. I'm trying. Whoa. Well, that worked. Sorry, that worked for sure. And it just dropped right the heck out. Okay. So at once, things. I thought this was the greatest thing, and I spent $100 for this beautiful tip. It is nice if you're going to leave the stock exhaust on. I definitely recommend putting this genuine Toyota tip on here. But what I'm about to do is pull this off and put it back in the box. Let's try this. This should do it. My God. This is the part that they said was the absolute hardest, which it is so far. Damn, this keeps coming out. I think we have to be fussing with this on the road. Shit. I guess this is where AAA comes in, huh? Well, okay. I think I'm at the final chapter of this. You can see the bolts hanging out here. I'm about to put the 6 element tip on, and quote, we should be done, haha. So forgive the photography here, but my job right now is just to get this through the hanger and bolt it on, and don't see the semblance of a gasket, but there is a flange here. So I'm going to assume we're okay. I'm going to try to get this through the hanger. I'm going to try now to wrestle things. See if we can get this on here. Huh. This is a little bit of a different, design.